Now, next up here is going to be with M1 Finance. This is personally one of my favorites. This one is going to be ideal for long-term and dividend investors like myself. This is also going to allow you to create custom ETFs, so you can put different stocks into a little pie and be able to set things up for yourself. You can also do fractional shares, again, investing in small dollar amounts. And you can also do auto investing. It's great for setting and forgetting. So you can put everything in one place. You can set up everything how you want it to be with percentages for each stock or ETF and kind of let it work on its own and take care of it for you. They also have a dividend reinvesting made easy. This is also in that same space of allowing everything to kind of come in, whether it's earn dividends or deposits, and have that money flow back into your investments as quickly as possible. Now, they do also have M1 Borrow, which is effectively allowing you to utilize your portfolio as collateral to borrow money outside of the actual investment. So if you need to pull money out to pay down some debts or utilize it for an investment outside of M1 Finance, you can actually do that with M1 Borrow. Now, with M1 Finance, you can actually get up to a $100 bonus for utilizing our link in the show notes down below. Next up here is going to be with Cash App. Now, Cash App is also great for beginner investors. It's a zero account minimum and $0 fees as well. You can invest as little as $1. Again, that is the fractional shares. So you can buy any stocks that you want to go with as little as that $1. They also do have a roundup feature, very similar to Acorns. You can actually go ahead and invest that spare change with anything you use from your Cash App debit card. It is very, very simple and straightforward. There's not a lot of information on the app itself, so you do kind of want to go at it with a learning from other websites sort of deal. Now, it is a money transfer app, and the reason we want to mention that is if you utilize Cash App for transferring money back and forth with other people, you can effectively use that money that's transferred into your Cash App account instantly into your investing side of things. And you can get up to a $15 bonus with signing up with Cash App.